Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2006 Aston Martin V8 Vantage manual. Looks absolutely awesome. Couple great mods. There's Ben, the owner. Hi, Ben. That's next on the list. Where's the cheat sheet? Aha! All right. I should have brought water. It's going to be like writing an essay. So, third owner, 55,000 miles. It is tracked. Thank you, Ben. 4.3 liter V8. It's Jaguar motor. So this one has the Stage 1 ECU remap from Velocity AP. I don't know why I'm reading everything. You guys can probably read this. But yeah, so very, very tasteful mods, and it really makes a world of a difference. Make sure my foot's to the left of the brake pedal. Grab the key. Hey, I did it this time. Ah, there we go. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna go windows up for wind noise. So, bye, Ben! And just so you know, this is not a manual conversion. This is, it used to have a wood dash, and he just put a different dash in it. So it does have a pop tune, but it sounds absolutely awesome. And it only pops above 3,500 RPM. Other than that, it's just the growl of the NA43. Now, I've driven a couple paddle shift Vantages. This is my first time driving the manual, and oh my god, it's fantastic. Never driven a car that I love as much as this thing. Yes, that is a police station, so I'm going to be nice and polite. Right. Let them go. Oh my god. to take it nice and easy because the owner lives around here, and I don't want to upset his neighbors. That wouldn't be too good. With the 275s on all four corners that the owner put in, it handles like a dream. Absolutely sensational. Do believe it's on coilovers. That's in the mod list that I showed you guys. It's not drony at all. That's something that really surprised me. I thought it was going to be a lot louder, a lot dronier, but no, it's just super relaxed, super comfortable, and super, super, super loud. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.